Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience with the platform. Today, we're exploring Portfolia, an investment platform found at https://www.portfolia.co. Portfolia provides a unique approach to investing, allowing individuals to participate in venture capital funds focused on specific, emerging market trends. Instead of picking individual stocks, you're essentially backing a curated portfolio of startups handpicked by experienced investment professionals. This model offers diversification within a targeted sector, mitigating some of the risks typically associated with early-stage investing. One of the key aspects of Portfolia's strategy is their focus on thematic investing. They identify promising areas like femtech, green tech, or AI-driven solutions, and then build funds around these themes. This allows you to invest in the future you believe in, supporting companies that align with your values and interests. They offer a variety of fund options, each with its own investment thesis and target returns. What's particularly interesting about Portfolia is their emphasis on active management and due diligence. Their team of investment professionals conducts thorough research and analysis, selecting companies with strong growth potential and experienced leadership teams. They actively manage the portfolio, providing ongoing support and guidance to the startups they invest in. This hands-on approach can be a significant advantage, especially in the volatile world of venture capital. Furthermore, Portfolia aims to democratize venture capital, traditionally accessible only to high-net-worth individuals. They offer lower minimum investment amounts compared to traditional venture funds, opening up these opportunities to a wider range of investors. This accessibility is a game-changer, allowing more people to participate in the potential upside of early-stage investments. However, like all investments, there are risks involved. Venture capital is inherently risky, and there's no guarantee of returns. It's important to carefully consider your own risk tolerance and investment goals before investing in any portfolio fund. You should also thoroughly research each fund's investment strategy, portfolio companies, and fee structure before making a decision. Be sure to read all the fine print and understand the terms and conditions. Finally, while Portfolia provides a simplified way to access venture capital, it's still essential to do your own due diligence and stay informed about the performance of your investments. Regularly review the updates and communications provided by Portfolia, and don't hesitate to reach out to their team if you have any questions or concerns.